Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript coding challenge. Today we are solving an interesting problem, that is how many videos can fit into a given drive size. Okay, given a video size, a unit for the video size, a hard drive capacity and a unit for the hard drive. Return the number of videos the hard drive can store using the following constraints. Okay, the conditions are: the unit for the video size can be bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes. If not given one of the video units above, return invalid video unit. The unit of the hard drive capacity can be gigabytes or terabytes. If not given one of the hard drive units above, return invalid drive unit. Return the number of whole videos the drive can fit. Okay, use the following conversions. Here are the conversions: 1 byte equals to 1 byte, 1 kilobyte equals to 1000 bytes, 1 megabytes equal to 1000 kilobytes, 1 gigabyte equals to 1000 megabytes, 1 terabyte equals to 1000 gigabytes. These are the conventions given for this challenge. Okay, next, for example, given 500 MB, 100 and GB as arguments, we should determine how many 500 MB videos can fit into or can fit on a 100 GB hard drive. Okay, this is the challenge given for this video. Now let's get into the solution for this. For that, first let's create a conversion map. Okay, let's create a conversion map to convert each unit to its equivalent in bytes. Okay, for that, const unit to bytes. Oh, okay, here 1, that means 1 byte. Okay, 1E3, that means 1 KB, that is kilo byte equals to 1000 bytes. Okay, similarly MB 1E6, 1 megabyte equals to bytes. GB 1E9, 1 gigabyte equals to bytes. Sorry. Now terabyte 1E12. Okay, that means 1 terabyte equals to bytes. Okay, this is the conversion map we created to convert each unit, that is each unit, to its equivalent bytes. Okay, sorry. So the next thing is check if if the video unit provided is valid or not. Okay, check if the video unit provided is valid or not. If it's not valid, we should return an error message, that is invalid video unit. For that, what I'm going to use, if unit to bytes and then pass video unit. That means we are passing the video unit to bytes map. So if at all any entry is available, we get value. Otherwise, it's a null. Okay. If the condition is kind of false, we should simply return, okay, invalid video unit. Okay. If no entry is there for this video unit in unit to bytes conversion map, that means it's a invalid video unit. We are simply checking that condition and then we are returning an error message. Similarly, we should check for the video drive unit as well. Okay, if it's not valid, we should return invalid drive unit. Similarly, we simply pass drive unit to this unit to bytes conversion map, and then if it's not there, we simply return invalid drive unit. Okay, this is the second condition. So once we are done with both, checking for both conditions, now the thing is, let's convert video size into bytes. Okay, video size into bytes using the conversion map. For that, const video bytes equal to, okay, video size asterisk, use unit to bytes and then pass the video unit to get the equivalent bytes. So now we are converting our video size into bytes. Similarly, let's convert the drive size as well into bytes. Okay, for that, simply copy this, simply say drive bytes. Here it should be drive size and then pass the drive unit to bytes conversion map. Now we got the sizes of video as well as drive in bytes. Now to find how many videos can fit on the drive, simply divide. Okay, simply divide drive capacity by video size. Okay, simply divide drive capacity, okay, that is drive bytes, with video size, okay, that is video bytes. Now let's use math.floor to round down to, okay, to round down to avoid partial videos, that is to avoid any partial video sizes. Okay, for that we are using math.flow and then we are simply returning the value. This is the complete solution to find how many videos can fit on the given drive size. Okay, drive size. Now let me run and then see whether this solution works as expected or not and pass all of our test cases. Okay, for that, let's click on run the test. We are getting errors. See, number of videos, invalid video unit, but it's returning. Let me copy this, what we are getting here. Console.log and then pass this number of videos. Now run and then see what is the we are getting 10. Yes, we should get invalid video unit, but why we are getting this? Yeah, this is wrong actually. We should not get this error here. Simply go here and then change the logic. Don't use conversion map here, just use the array. Okay, there is b comma kb comma mb comma gb. So our video unit size should be one of the following, that is bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, right? So for that we simply use dot includes. If this is not true, then we should simply return invalid video unit. Now let's run and then see. Okay, so similarly for drive units as well. Okay, similarly for drive units as well, only should be GB comma TB. Let's run and then see now. Yeah, it's working fine. Initially we did a mistake by using the conversion map even to check for the video unit and drive unit is valid or not. That's a mistake. So now it's working as expected. All of our test cases passed. Okay, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like and share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.